Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to find nearby restaurants in Google Maps using the latest 2026 method. Whether you're looking for breakfast, lunch, dinner, a quick snack, or a new place to eat while traveling, Google Maps makes it easy to discover restaurants near your location. So let's get started. First, open your web browser on your Windows PC or laptop and go to *maps, Google.com*. Sign in to your Google account if you'd like to save places, leave reviews, or get personalized recommendations, although signing in isn't required just to search for restaurants. Once Google Maps opens, make sure your current location is detected. If it isn't, click the *current location button in the bottom right corner of the map and allow your browser to access your location if prompted. Now click the search bar at the top left corner and type *restaurants* or restaurants near me ***, then press *enter ***. Google Maps will instantly display nearby restaurants on the map, along with a list on the left side of the screen. You can click on any restaurant to view detailed information, including its address, opening hours, phone number, customer ratings, reviews, photos, price range, and popular visiting times if available. If you're looking for something specific, you can refine your search by typing keywords such as ***, Italian restaurant ***, Chinese food ***, pizza ***, coffee shop ***, seafood ***, fast food or any cuisine you prefer. Google Maps will update the results based on your search. You can also use the available filters to narrow down your options. Depending on your location, you may see filters for top-rated *, open now ***, price ***, or other categories that help you find the best restaurant for your needs. Once you've found a restaurant you'd like to visit, click ** directions * to get turn-by-turn navigation, or click save * if you want to add it to your favorites and visit later. You can also use the ** share * button to send the restaurant's location to friends or family. Google Maps is a great tool for discovering new places to eat because it combines real customer reviews, photos, and useful business information all in one place, making it easier to choose the right restaurant before you head out. And that's it. That's how to find nearby restaurants in Google Maps using the latest 2026 method. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy tech tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.